Hi guys, Mike here for Expert Trades, doing a review on the Wera 1/4 inch ratchet set. This is a nice set, comes in this nice textile pouch, which is handy if you're throwing it in the bottom of a toolbox or a tool case. Everything's stored in there, you can get it out, do your job, fold it back up, put it away. Comes with a 1/4 inch ratchet, obviously, a wobble bar, long extension bar and a bit holder. All your sockets are stored nice and secure. The size is also embroidered into the case so it won't wear off or anything. Nice, quick, easy identification. You have a range of bits included in this, from Torx to hex, Phillips and Posies. You can always change these out if there's something you prefer. Nice long bits as well, so when you do use it as a screwdriver, it is handy. The ratchet itself has a couple of nice features, including a rotating head, so you can lock it in several different positions there. I use this actually a lot for a ratchet screwdriver. I'm not a fan of the actual Wera ratchet screwdriver, but this is a piece of junk. I would never recommend anybody buying this, it's terrible. But I do use this more so as a ratchet screwdriver than ever would that. Just lock your bits in and you've got a nice ratchet screwdriver again. You can just tighten down with that and then finish off your ratcheting with that. Wera do have a name for this collar, I can't remember what it's actually called, but they do, and also the long extension bar also comes with the same feature. But a great socket set, and the thing I love about it is folds up nice and compact, everything stores in there. And if you just want it for a quick job, you can just pull it out of your box, bag, whatever, go to your job, folds up nice, looks neat, and everything's always there. Because I work here, there and everywhere, one thing I like is everything's full, so you know if you've forgot something, because obviously you'll look at your case and something's missing, so you know we've left it around. So I do like it for that. The newer ones do come with a Wera to go Velcro on the back. This is obviously an older set, but brilliant kit, definitely recommend it to anybody. Don't buy this if you have a ratchet screwdriver. You can actually get this for a couple of quid more, and it's a far better system than that. Thanks guys.